Namaste my dear kids, how are you all? Hope you all are well. How many so many days after we are meeting, right? You got so many leave. Have you enjoyed your holidays? Have you celebrated all the celebrations and all? Christmas, New Year, then last Pongal. Okay. Have you finished the have you so many students they didn't finish the exam. Why are you doing like this? Please finish the exam my dear kids. Okay, please do the exam. Whatever the teachers are telling, you have to obey that one first. Okay, so today we are going to take one new lesson, Jadui Sanduk. Okay, Jadui Sanduk means magic box. It is a magic box. Magic box. Magic box. You write page number 34. Take page number 34. Write on top of it 21/2021 and day Budhavar. Okay. Listen carefully. It is, you can see one man is there, one woman is there, and two kids are there. So that can understand that is a family, and so many things are there, right? So by seeing that we can understand that they are changing the home and they are shifting to a new home. So that is only this lesson. Okay, so let's see. Take page number 35. आनंद और ईरा अपने माँ बाप के साथ जयपुर रहने आ गए. अनंत और ईरा अपने माँ पापा के साथ जयपुर रहने आ गया. Ira, Anand, the two kids' name is Anand and Ira. They both came with their parents to Jaipur. They shifted to a new house in Jaipur and they came with the parents. उनके पापा का तबादला हो गया था. What happened? Tabadla means transfer. Their father got transfer in Jaipur. Their father tabadla. Transfer means what? If a person is working in one place and he is getting that same work in another place. Oh, that is only transfer. Okay, transfer. So their papa got transfer in Jaipur and they came to Jaipur. अब उन्हें जयपुर की एक बड़ी सी हवेली में रहना था. They want to live. जयपुर की एक बड़ी सी हवेली में रहना था. हवेली means mansion. MANSION, mansion. So here they want to live in a mansion. In Jaipur they want to live in a mansion because mansion means it's a building. So he got transfer and now he is staying in a they are going to stay in a mansion. दिल्ली के फ्लैट के बाद यह घर बहुत अलग रहा था. They were staying, so I can find out that before they were in Delhi in one flat they were living. Here it was little different, अलग लग रहा था because there it was a flat. In Delhi they were staying in a flat. Now it is a mansion, so it is little different from that one. आनंद को अपने स्कूल की बहुत याद आ रही थी. मीन्स Anand was because they shifted from one place to another, isn't it? So if we are you people and all also now you are studying in our school. Next, if your parents or somebody will get transfer in another place and you will go there and they will make you to admit in a new school, right? So that time what happened? So you will miss your friends and all, right? That only this Anand also what happening like that. This Anand also is very sad, very thinking about his school. अपनी स्कूल की बहुत याद आ रही थी. He was thinking about his previous school. ईरा मोहल्ले की सहेलियों के बारे में सोच रही थी. Their flat only, then even that is a street. So Ira was thinking about the friends in that street. So they were very sad by thinking about their friends and school. Then पापा ने उनके उदास चेहरे देखे तो बोले, जाओ तुम दोनों पूरी हवेली का चक्कर लगाकर आओ. Then Papa has seen their face and udas, that sad face, and they are telling that, जाओ, go, तुम दोनों पूरी हवेली का चक्कर लगा कर आओ. चक्कर लगाना, take around. You both go around of this haveli and come, like that, because they became so sad. So he want to change their mind, so he is telling them to go around of this haveli. फिर बताना कौन सा कमरा तुम लेना चाहेंगे. Then you tell which कमरा, which room you need. You go around of this haveli, this building, and you find out which room you need. कमरे से बरामदा, फिर बैठक और फिर कमरा. कमरे से बरामदा, कमरे from कमरे means room. Then बरामदा is there. Then फिर बैठक और फिर कमरा. So one room is there, then one veranda is there, फिर one dining hall is there, then after that one more कमरा, one more room is there. So घूमते घूमते वे दोनों एक कमरे में आए. They wandered here and they reached one room जो तीन ओर से बाग की तरह खुलते हैं. That was opened, that room in three sides. It was open, like outside it was garden. They can see the garden. So they like that one. खिड़कियों पर लगे रंग बिरंगे शीशों से चन चन कर आते धूप से पूरा कमरा रंग बिरंगा हो गया. What is happening? खिड़कियों means windows. Windows, they are the glasses are very like colored glass. रंग बिरंगे शीशों means glasses. रंग बिरंगे different colored glasses are there on the windows. So on the windows the sunlight's flash will come, means what is happening, that flash will come inside the room and the room is lit. So room, what happened, room became so colored because of this colored glass. The sunlight will strike on that glass and the room will be room will be in colored, room will be in different color. So वाह कितना खूबसूरत कमरा है, वाह वेरी नाइस रूम. क्यों ईरा, हम यही कमरा लेंगे. वाई ईरा, कैन वी टेक दिस रूम, लाइक दैट. हु इज आस्किंग अनंत. कमरा देखकर अनंत की आंखों में एक चमक सी आ गई. by seeing that in his eyes became bright by seeing the room, because it is so colorful, right? Because of the colored glass, the room is becoming very colorful. So they liked that color room, and Anand is asking, can we take this room? हाँ, इस कमरे को देखकर मुझे उस जादू के खेल की याद आ गई है जो हमने पिछले साल देखा था. So he is telling that by seeing this, I can remember the magic play that we saw on the last year. Some play and they were see on the last year, some game or something. So by seeing this room, they felt like that magic one. इसलिए हम इसका नाम रखेंगे जादुई कमरा. So we will keep this room's name as magic room. ईरा ने चारों तरफ नजर घुमाते हुए कहा. He was looking everywhere and telling that this room is very nice. It looks like a magic room. So we will keep this room's name as magic room. दोनों अपने नए कमरे की जांच पड़ताल में लग गए. Both of them were verifying the room. जांच पड़ताल means verification. verification, verification. They are verifying the room, what and all is there on each and everywhere. वे कमरे की अलमारी means bureaus and all, पुरानी बनावट के पंखों को खोल व बंद करके देखने लगा. What is that? पुरानी means old, बनावट design, old design fan is there. पंखो means fan, okay, पंखो fan. So old design fans and all is fan, F-A-N. So old design fan and all is there. So by seeing that, they are switching off and on. They are seeing that fan by switching on, switching on and switching off the switch. Okay, it is that fan is the old design fan. So they are verifying everywhere. They are verifying the bureaus, they are verifying the fan, everything. Then next page. कमरे में एक बड़ी सी अलमारी देखकर ईरा उसके अंदर घुसकर मजे से बैठ गई. कमरे में एक बड़ी सी अलमारी देखकर ईरा उसके अंदर घुसकर मज़े से बैठ गई. By seeing the one big almari was there on the room. So by seeing that, Ira, what she is doing, she is going inside and sitting inside that one, isn't it? भैया देखो मैं कहाँ बैठ गई है. ईरा ने अनंत को पुकारते हुए कहा. ईरा इज कॉलिंग अनंत एंड टेलिंग, ब्रदर यू सी वेयर आई एम सिटिंग. देखो मैं कहाँ बैठ गई. वेयर आई हैव सैट यू कम एंड सी. आनंद ने उसे देखा तो हंसने लगा. आनंद सी यू कैन सी दैट आनंद इज लाफिंग. आनंद बाय सीइंग हर ही इज लाफिंग. मज़े से अलमारी के अंदर बैठी ईरा अलग अलग तरह के खेल दिखाने लगी. शी वॉज वेरी एन्जॉयफुली शी वॉज सिटिंग इनसाइड द अलमारी एंड शी इज शोइंग सम प्ले एंड ऑल इनसाइड द अलमारी. हाथों को गोल गोल घुमाते हुए वह भारी आवाज़ में बोलने लगी. शी इज शोइंग सम like she is like this, we will show no like this and all, like this and all we will show like that. Magic people and all will show like that. He is making with the hand some round and all and telling that देखो भैया मैं हूँ नन्ही जादूगर. See brother, I am only small magician. जादूगर means magician. magician, magician, जादूगर. I am only small magician. Shakalaka boom boom, shakalaka boom boom. The magic people and all they used to say na that word like that. She is also telling. But what happening? अचानक suddenly एक गहरी सी गूंज कमरे में फरने लगी. Suddenly one big echo sound was hearing on the room. Echo, गूंज means echo, echo, echo sound. One sound was hearing on the room. और हल्का हल्का अंधेरा छाया. Slowly what happening? Suddenly it became dark. अंधेरा, darkness. यह क्या हो गया? ईरा घबरा कर चिल्ला गई. What happened? ईरा became so afraid and she was shouting. Yo, what happened? Like that she was calling, she was shouting. So this much is enough for today. Okay my dear kids, Ira and Anand is coming to one new home and they are watching everywhere and they are getting on room, and inside that one almari was there in that room and she is sitting inside the almari and she is telling something, and one sound was hearing inside the room. What is that sound and why it became darkness, we will study in the next class. Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.